Tarun Sri Venkat sir. Today discussing about JavaScript. Variables. JavaScript variables are the containers for storing data values. You can declare variables using var, let, or constant. Var is a function scoped and can be redeclared, while let and constants are block scoped. Constant is for constants whose value cannot be reassigned. Variables can store different data types like strings, numbers, objects, and more. Proper scoping is essential for preventing issues like uniting. Here the basic syntax for variables. Let constant where are the variables used for declaring a variable name, constant name, and var for variable name. The basic syntax for declaring a variable and initializing and printing the statement. Here I print the name and age of the person. Here let is used and the basic array concept. And an array is a collection of items stored in a single variable. Arrays can store any type of data, including numbers, strings, and objects. You can access array elements by their index, which starts at 0. Methods like push, pop, and map allow manipulation of array. JavaScript array are dynamically, meaning their size is not fixed. The basic syntax of an array is array name and the elements are the game. I have taken colors of colors. Here I have printed the colors which are in array, and I have accessing each element which is at the index of 0. Here the index at 0 element is blue, and at first index the color is green. We have two methods, push and pop. Push is used to add an element from the backside of an array. I have added pink. See here the pink is added, and I have popped the element from back. Pop is used to remove an element from backside. See the output has popped the pink element. Now the concept is functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks that can take parameters and return a value. Functions can be declared using the function keyword as arrow function. They can be called evoked to execute the block of code. Functions promote code reusability and modularity. The basic code of functions starts with function and then function name. We can declare any number of parameters. And the regular function is I have printed hello world, and I have called with the function name. It prints the value hello world. And arrow accessing, it is nothing but same, but we use here arrows instead of curly braces. And the types of function keyword, this b round brackets are the function keyword, and see there are keyword I have printed. And in function expression we call the function after the variable is given, and they have printed by using function call. The topic is objects. Objects in JavaScript are the collection of properties where each property is a key value pair. They can hold different type of data and even functions. Objects are useful for modeling real world entities. Properties can be accessed using dot notation or bracket notation. The basic syntax is, see here, keys and values are used by dot notation. The basic program, here name is name, age, greet are the keywords, and the values are 2019. Here I have used in value a function. This can also be executed. I have printed the person name by using class name function name dot which you want to access, and I have printed this statement. Here see output Tarun. I have written here good morning plus this dot name. What you want name, it has been printed. Now the topic is loops. Loops allow executing a block of code repeatedly based on a condition. Common loops include for, while, and do while. For loop are ideal for iterating over arrays or a specific range, while loops continue until a condition is true. Loops help automate repetitive tasks and reduce redundancy code. See here the syntax for loop I have given. First we will initialize. and then condition, what condition, which code to be executed, and their increment or decrement. Here for loop, I have initialized I equals to 1. It have printing the values I less than 5. It will print up to 1 to 4. It has been initialized. See while loop, the basic, first it will execute once and then it will check. See, I have declared initial condition is I less than 5. While condition, it will print from 0 to 4. I have declared do while. It will execute once and then it will check the condition and again it will execute. It is about do while.